Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to get Griffith Anime Vanguard. Start by checking official release channels and storefronts, then confirm region availability before attempting any purchase. Next, verify account credentials and linked payment methods to avoid delays. Finally, review any bundle or pre-order bonuses so you choose the best option for value and content access. Begin at the official store or verified marketplace listing and choose the right edition of Griffith Anime Vanguard for your region. Add the item to your cart and double-check platform compatibility or digital code restrictions. Proceed to checkout using a saved payment method and watch for a confirmation email or activation code to finalize access and ensure you can download or redeem immediately. If you encounter problems, first check spam folders for missing confirmation or activation emails, then confirm your purchase history and account settings. If the game or code does not appear, gather order details and contact support promptly to request resolution. Also confirm that your platform account is linked correctly and that your device meets minimum requirements for installing or redeeming Griffith Anime Vanguard.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.